In this video, we will cover 4 effective methods to help you transfer call logs from Samsung to a computer safely and efficiently. Part 1. Transfer call logs from Samsung to computer by Coolmuster Android Assistant. If you want to preview and selectively transfer call logs from a Samsung phone to a computer, Coolmuster Android Assistant is a highly practical choice. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Android Assistant, then launch the program on Windows or Mac. Step 2. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable and enable USB debugging as prompted until the device is successfully recognized. Step 3. Select Call Logs from the left panel. Preview the call history on your Samsung phone, choose the call logs you want to export, and click Export to save them to your computer. Part 2. Move call logs from Samsung to computer via Samsung Smart Switch. While Samsung Smart Switch is primarily used for transferring data when switching to a new Samsung phone, it also supports backing up call logs along with other data from your Samsung device to a computer. Step 1. Visit the official Samsung Smart Switch website, download the software for your Windows or Mac computer, and install it following the prompts. Step 2. Launch Samsung Smart Switch, then connect your Samsung phone to the computer using a USB cable. If prompted, enable USB debugging on your Samsung device. Step 3. The software will automatically detect your Samsung device. Once detected, you'll see the main interface with options to backup and restore data. Step 4. Click the Backup button. A pop-up window will appear, showing all the data types you can back up, including call logs, contacts, messages, photos, etc. Make sure the call logs option is checked. Step 5. Choose a save path on your computer where you want to store the backup file. You can change the path by clicking More Options. Then, click Backup to start the process. Part 3. Transfer call logs from Samsung to computer using Samsung Cloud. Samsung Cloud is a cloud storage service that allows Samsung users to back up and sync data, such as call logs, contacts, and photos, from their devices. After backing up call logs, users can access and download them to their computer via the Samsung Cloud website. Step 1. On your Samsung phone, go to Settings, Accounts, and Backup Samsung Cloud. Step 2. Sign in with your Samsung account and ensure Call Logs is selected for backup. Step 3. Tap Backup Now to sync your call logs to Samsung Cloud. Step 4. On your computer, open a web browser and visit the Samsung Cloud website, then sign into the same account. Step 5. Download the available backup containing your call logs to your computer. Part 4. Transfer call logs from Samsung to PC with SMS Backup and Restore. SMS Backup and Restore is a third-party app that allows users to back up and restore SMS and Samsung call logs. It exports call logs as XML files, which can then be transferred to a computer via USB, email, or cloud storage. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. Search for SMS Backup and Restore, download the app, and complete the installation. Step 2. Launch the app and grant the required permissions. Tap Backup on the main screen. Select Call Logs Only. You can uncheck SMS and then start the backup to save your call logs as an XML file on your phone's internal storage or SD card. Step 3. Transfer the XML file to your computer by connecting your Samsung phone via a USB cable and copying the file from the SMS Backup Restore folder, or by sharing the backup file through email or cloud services such as Google Drive or Dropbox and downloading it on your PC. Step 4. Open the exported XML file on your computer using a text editor or XML viewer, or convert it to CSV or Excel format with online tools for easier reading if necessary.